Hey, what's up guys? I'm Shubham, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI 7 dark icons on your any Samsung device absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay, guys, first download Icon Pack Studio. This app download link in description. After download, open Icon Pack Studio and tap on continue. And guys, you can see your launcher does not support the Icon Pack Studio format. Guys, ignore this warning. Tap on simply continue and you can see many icon packs in this app. But tap on search and search One UI 7, and after search you can see One UI 7 dark icons. Simply download, and guys, after download this icon pack, simply tap on apply and enable notification. Simply go to back and tap on apply and OK. Okay, now your icon pack is ready. You can see your icon pack is ready, and you can see guys, our icon pack APK is ready to install. Simply tap on and install this icon pack. After install, simply tap on done. Now go to Galaxy Store and search Goodlock and download. You can see this guys. After download, tap on open, and after open, download Theme Park plugin. After download Theme Park plugin, tap on open. Simply tap on icon, create new, and you can see icon pack. Tap on icon pack, and guys, you can see exported icon pack. And guys, simply tap on download button, rename One UI 7 dark and OK. Simply apply this icon pack and you can see One UI 7 dark icon pack installed on your Samsung device. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.